Inside every living cell, tiny but powerful organelles work tirelessly to maintain cellular health. One such organelle is the lysosome, a vital component of the cell's waste management system. Lysosomes were first discovered in 1955 by Belgian biologist Christian de Duve, who later received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1974 for his groundbreaking research. The name lysosome comes from Greek word lysis, meaning breakdown, and soma, meaning body. Structurally, lysosomes are spherical in shape, measuring between 0.2 to 0.5 micrometers in size. They are single membrane-bound organelles, enclosed by a lipoprotein membrane. Inside, the compartment known as the lumen. It contains hydrolytic enzymes that break down cellular waste and debris. Lysosomes contain more than 40 to 60 different enzymes, all synthesized in the rough endoplasmic reticulum and transported to the Golgi apparatus, where they are processed and packaged into lysosomes. Lysosomes serve as the recycling center of the cell. Their primary function is digestion and waste removal. It is also called digestive bag. The process by which foreign particles or cellular debris are engulfed and broken down is known as endocytosis. The removal of damaged organelles and waste from within the cell is known as autophagy. When a cell is damaged beyond repair, lysosomes burst open, releasing their enzymes and digesting the cell from within, a process known as self-digestion or autolysis. This is why lysosomes are often called the suicidal bags of the cell. Another important fact, lysosomes do not contain DNA, unlike other organelles such as the nucleus and mitochondria. Additionally, lysosomes maintain an acidic environment, which is essential for the proper functioning of their digestive enzymes. That's all for today. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.